everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something special to talk about, the AGM Pad P1 Android tablet. This rugged companion is designed to handle tough situations while providing you with a reliable performance. So let's dive right into the details and explore what this tablet has to offer. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Inside the box, you will get the AGM Pad P1 tablet with its protective case, a quick user guide, a USB Type-C cable, and a fast charger. The AGM Pad P1 comes with a sleek gray color and weighs only 470 grams, making it easy to carry around with you. With dimensions of 250 by 160 by 9 millimeters, it's comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. The rugged design ensures it can withstand some serious rough handling, perfect for those who lead an adventurous lifestyle. With its impressive IP68 and IP69K certification, make it resistant against dust, water and even high temperature water. A remarkable feat that sets it apart from conventional tablets, ensuring your device stays safe in any situation. The tablet features a 10.36-inch LCD panel with an impressive Full HD resolution of 1200 by 2000 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of 300 ppi. The visuals are crisp and vibrant, providing an enjoyable viewing experience, whether you are watching movies or browsing the web. When it comes to connectivity, the AGM Pad P1 has got you covered. It supports Wi-Fi and 4G with 2 nano SIM cards or a nano SIM and a TF card. Bluetooth 5.2 ensures seamless data transfer and connectivity with your other devices. Powering the AGM Pad P1 is the Helio G99 octa-core processor, featuring 2 ARM Cortex-A76 cores clocked at 2.2 GHz and 6 ARM Cortex-A55 cores clocked at 2 GHz. Paired with the Mali G57 MC2 GPU, it can handle most everyday tasks and even some casual gaming. With 8 GB of RAM, makes multitasking smooth and efficient. The tablet offers a generous 256 GB of internal storage, giving you ample space for your apps, documents and media files. But that's not all. You can expand the storage further up to a whopping 2 TB using a TF card, making it perfect for content creators and media enthusiasts. The AGM Pad P1 is equipped with a 5 megapixel front camera and an 8 megapixel autofocus rear camera. While it may not be the most powerful camera setup, it's adequate for most video calls and capturing essential moments on the go. In terms of multimedia, the tablet supports various video and audio formats, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite content hassle-free. With a 7000 mAh battery capacity and 18 watt fast charging, the AGM Pad 1 is ensure you stay powered throughout the day. The long-lasting battery is ideal for outdoor adventures or extended work hours. The AGM Pad 1 is packed with useful features such as GPS, Beidou, GLONASS and Galileo for accurate navigation. It includes sensors like G-sensor, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, Hall sensor and compass to enhance your user experience. Additionally, the tablet supports OTG and comes with 3.5mm earphones jack. So, there you have it, the AGM Pad P1 Android tablet, a rugged and reliable companion that's up for any adventure. While it may not be the most powerful tablet on the market, but its durability, expandable storage and decent performance make it an attractive option for those seeking a rugged device. If you are interested, check it out and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. The link for the product is in the description. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. See you again soon.